Good afternoon, everyone. I am Steve Brand, and I am the president of the Associated Students Organization, or the ASO. We are here to discuss preparations for the job fair coming up next spring. Job fairs are always exciting, and they're a great way to help students get connected with potential employers, and they're also a great way to connect employers with some of our talented students and graduates. We have just a short amount of time for this meeting, so I would like to run over the agenda for what we need to get covered. We will hear reports from each committee working on scheduling speakers for the job fair, what business recruiters will be on hand, how the job fair will be advertised or publicized, who will be working on the reservations of campus space, how the booths themselves will be set up, and lastly, any relevant matters that have not been touched upon. Each speaker will have roughly about 10 minutes since the meeting is only scheduled for an hour and a half, and I want to ensure that we have enough time at the end for any questions or quick discussions. Now, first, I'd like to start off by discussing just how important job fairs are for both job seeker and the businesses seeking qualified people. First of all, job fairs are very important for businesses and organizations seeking employees because it gives them access to large pools of qualified candidates. Businesses and organizations can save a lot of time and money by participating in these job fairs. It can be costly to place ads for job openings, and both time and money can be lost by having a recruiter go out and meet each candidate one at a time. With job fairs, recruiters can talk to face with candidates in one location. Some of the benefits for the job seekers themselves is that they can begin networking with potential employers. They can have access to free workshops and seminars. They can test out their resumes and receive feedback. They can get interview practice, which is very essential, and they can learn about job opportunities in their industry. So with that being said, I would like to have the representative for the committee for scheduling speakers come up and talk briefly. All right, and then now the representative for the committee for scheduling recruiters. And next, committee for advertising and publicity. Great. And then next, the reservations committee. All right. And now the booth setup committee. All right. Great. So a lot of things covered here. Is there any topics that we need to discuss that have not been already talked about, or are there any questions? If not, then I would like to thank everyone who spoke from each committee today. I hope you are as excited about the job fair as I am. This is a great opportunity for our students and graduates. Plus, it is a great opportunity for us to show off some of the amazing talent our school has to offer. Thank you all so much.